Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on find my device in realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icon. Click on the setting icon. Now you have to see here many options. Scroll down and then you have to click on the security option. Click on that. Now you have to see this type of icon. Click on the find my device option. Find my device is already off. If you want to on this, so click on that. So find my device helps you to locate your device remotely. If your mobile phone will lost, that will help you to find your mobile phone and keep your data safe. So I hope this video helps you to on find my device and its uses. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.